students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is find the solution of the given pair of linear equation by graphical method. Graphically, linear equations are basically lines on the graph. And solution of those two linear equation will be point of intersection of those two lines. So let's try to plot these two lines on our graph. So this is our x-axis and y-axis. So for this two equation, 2x plus y is equals to 8 and x minus y is equals to 1. When x is equals to 0, when we'll put x equals to 0 in this equation, we'll get y is equals to 8, correct? When we'll put y is equals to 0 in the same equation, when we are putting y is equals to 0, we will get x is equals to 4, correct? Now for equation x minus y, again when we are putting x is equals to 0, we'll get y is equals to minus 1. When we are putting y is equals to 0, we are getting x is equals to 1. So 0, 8 and 4, 0 are the points on this line, and 0, minus 1 and 1, 0 are the points on this line. So to draw any line, we just need 2 points. From one point we can make infinitely many lines, but if we have 2 points, we can make only one line segment, correct? So now we have 2 points for this line and 2 points for this line, so we can make those two lines, correct? 0, 8 will be somewhere 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here will be our 0, 8, and 4, 0 will be somewhere here on x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our 4, 0. So our line segment 2x plus y is equals to 8 will look something like this, correct? And our another line which is passing through 0, minus 1 and 1, 0. So this is our 1, 0. This is our 1, 0. And 0, minus 1, this will be our minus 1. So 0, minus 1, this is our another line. So if we join these 2 points, we will get this line. And their point of intersection will be this, which is 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. So 3, 2 is our point of intersection or solution of these two equations. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.